Hey, we finally pushed this K5 Blazer down here from the blast, and it looks like it's been blasted. But let's look at some damage here we found. All right, guys, so we got damage here. We got damage here. This is not the problematic spots, but it's still bad. We got damage here. We have no roof here. It's gone here, nothing. Deep holes here, but no rust here. Rust free. Rust free. No roof. This is a little air deflector. Air is going to hit right here and go up. Now, on a serious note, we're going to put a top on it. We already knew that it had it on. We actually cut the top off so we could get this side, because inside this panel was in good shape. There wasn't no damage inside, so we actually saved that. Those little holes there, that little piece is going to be made. A lot of this in here can be made. If we keep cutting it up any further, we're probably not going to have a whole lot to work with. But the sides are good. Looks a lot better than what I expected it to look like. Got rockers for it already. Of course, we got a complete floor pan. I know it looks bad, man, now, but we'll build all them drops over there by hand. Most everything in here we built by hand. We'll fabricate it. And we got all the little parts, the dash and all that. Pretty much all this is in good shape. Got some fixed metal here. We'll build them window channels, build new window channels here. We showed you on another video before how to build the window channels, how we make them. So we'll actually come through now and take the rest of this roof off. We'll fix all this structure underneath, and then we'll put a new roof on it, which is fine. And the reason we're doing this is because these Blazers are kind of getting hard to find, especially 85. And to make a two-wheel drive, it's going to be a little interesting. So frame's a little bit different, but yeah, we'll come over here. Got stuff right here. So yeah, we got some rot right here in the window channel. We'll go ahead and get that done. And up in here, we'll get that. We'll get this fixed. But just want to give you a good walk around after it's blasted. This is kind of what it looks like when they're blasted. And like I said, the rocker, we cut all this out of the floor pan so these big chunks of rust here wouldn't just fall off in the sandblaster and tear the sandblaster up. But yeah, guys, we do that here too. So we get you sandblasted up, we get you fixed, whatever y'all need. But it comes straight from sandblast over down here to metalwork. It's going to go in that door right there to get metal worked. Once it gets all the metal work done, hand fabricated, all the pieces made, put on it, what we're going to do, it likes to get all that done, metal finished. Once it's metal finished, go down to paint and body, do all the paint and body. It'll look good just like that cab we just did on another build. Same process over and over and over. Get them in, tear them down, do a video. You remember this thing was green. It is not green. What I like about blasting is you get all this area in here and you can actually see what's under it. And what I like about this truck particularly, it was a U.S. Army vehicle. And that being said, they didn't put Bondo in them. They just beat them, and that's it. So when I find them, when I started looking for this particular style, I looked for a military vehicle for two reasons. One, it didn't have the luxury glass in it. It had the big window. It didn't have a divider where I can actually black that out on the side, and I can fully tint it. And it don't have a screen inside it and all, like a camper shell. It didn't have that. I like that function. And also, you see what you get. So when you get a military vehicle, they've usually dogged them to death. And so about what you're looking at, when you look at it with the paint that's on it, you just about get what you get when you blast it. And obviously, about everything that we've seen damage-wise, we actually see now. So, you know, somewhere there was a spare tire holder and stuff, all that. But right now, basically what you have is, you know, what we had then is what we got now. So just giving you an update on it. Just stay tuned, man, on this K5 Blazer build. It's going on a two-wheel drive chassis, LS engine. Gonna do a 6-liter LS. Just hang around and wait. We may do twin turbos. I ain't sure. We're gonna try to do a power adder on this one. But this truck here is going to be super nice top, wonderful paint job. Haven't picked the color yet. I'm still waiting on everybody to give it comment on the link, see what they want to see it as, what colors they want. Got a lot of basic colors, but let's do something a little bit different. Let's do something kind of wild on that. But just let us know. give us a comment. Give us a shout out what you'd like to see on this truck and what color you'd like. But yeah, there's your update on the K5 Blazer build. A3 Customs.